What's up, guys? Welcome to DPV. I'm Alex, and I'm gonna do a little playing around here on the rear of the Bronchosaurus. I was gonna try to figure out a way to do like an upper truss with my spring buckets I got over here from Barnes Off-Road. These are beefy. They still need to be finish welded, but I don't mind doing a little bit of extra work, being that usually a little cheaper if you don't have to pay the company to do the finish welding for you. I'm just going to try to put them in place. I'm just going to put an aggressive tack on them, throw my springs in, and just kind of see where I sit. And if I am going to need to notch this out a little bit and run an upper truss. So first things first, I got to clean up a lot of space. I think I'm at 9 3/4, close enough, off the end of the frame rail. So that's my axle center line is, and so I'm going to try to center line that up on my bracket, and then we'll tack it in, throw my springs in, and just see what it looks like. 2 1/4, so clean up like there, and clean up like there. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if this is gonna go up high enough.
What's gonna go high enough?
This jack.
Dad, like how high do you want it to go?
I don't know.
Well, it can go really high.
Tried to flex this out, but then stuff shifted and I lost this spring, and my front jack stands are kind of getting sketchy. So I'm gonna try to get this down as quickly as possible. I feel like that spring pocket's gonna work. Had like 22 inches of up travel before I got scared with how my I don't know how my front jack stands are doing right now. Are they all? Yeah, that one over there was up off the ground, and so it kind of got me nervous. So now get the cherry picker out, got to get the floor jack in, jack up the floor jack, pull this jack stand, put the tire back on. So I do need to come up with some sort of anti-flex deal. It might even just be this tubing right here. I might cut it down so it just fits inside here, and then it ride on the weld it there. I think that would keep the flexibility of it to a minimum. Sweet. All right, let's get this cherry picker out of the way. I think that I got all excited about flexing it out, and I probably should have done stuff like spring retainers before doing that, you know? But I just get so excited. It's like a kid on Christmas. I just have a little bit of finish welding to do. If I finish weld that, then be good. All right, got the spring buckets completed. Looks like I'm still gonna have about 22 inches, I believe, of up travel. Yeah, hopefully next time we tackle the rear, I'm gonna be figuring out some rear shock mounts. I need to do a little research, figure out the best way to do that, and then do a lot of finish welding on all my brackets, and re-gear the rear end, and then I believe the rear is done. If you want to support us, you can do that down below on Patreon, or buy any of our merch, or shop Amazon via the affiliate links linked below. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. Until next time, see ya.